Hello, it's Brian Rezny. It's question and answer day. And 2021 for you is another mediocre year. What do you do now? One of the things that I often get comments on, when do I make a change of a financial advisor? When do I make a change in a investment in my portfolio? When do I sell a stock for the do-it-yourself investor? The bottom line is this, folks. Every single year, my firm gets calls from people that came in and saw me 3, 4, 5 years ago, listened to my TV show 10 years ago or my radio show 12 years ago, and they say to us, we should have come in sooner. We waited, we procrastinated. In fact, I had every single year, we get 3 or 4 calls from people that actually contacted our firm, interviewed our firm about managing their money, and decided to do 0. And then call us 3, 4 years later, and then hire our firm. They wait and they procrastinate. Procrastination is not going to fix the problem. If you have investments that are not working, just sitting pat and sitting on those investments isn't going to fix the problem. Not doing proper research is not going to fix the problem. Listening to your brother-in-law, Bob, or your next-door neighbor, what they're doing is not going to fix the problem. In fact, I will tell you, I see more investors harmed by what's called bias and trying to talk others into believing what they believe so they can justify their bad mistakes. I see that all the time. In fact, I'll have a client that will call me occasionally and say, oh, my son is doing this and he thinks we should do that. And what it is the son is basically making a bad decision with his personal portfolio and is trying to convince his family to agree with him and do the same thing and make the same bad move. That often happens when people go to cash after the market goes down. So you ultimately have to make a decision in your life. You have to do the proper research. You have to follow a strategy. If you're not doing that and you're not capable, or maybe it's just too emotional, you need to find yourself help and quality help that's really going to help promote your portfolio. Every single year goes by and people wait and procrastinate. Again, I get dozens and dozens of phone calls to my radio show every single week. And the calls often go the same way. Bought XYZ stock 10 years ago, it hasn't done anything but go down. When should I sell? I bought this, it's done okay, but the market did 4 times better. These are the types of things that, again, research comes into play, experience comes into play, and following a strict strategy, buy and sell guidelines, and is ultimately the way that you can actually produce real results in a portfolio and really control the long-term risk. If you're not a client of our firm and you want to become a client, we do manage larger portfolios, $1 million and greater. Call our office if you'd like to discuss our services. We'd be more than happy to help you build your portfolio and do what's right for your family and your financial security. Have yourself a safe and profitable day.